Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are safe and fine. In this video, I will discuss the lesson 3 of class 8. So, the lesson is about log on to access. So, let's start. A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. So, database is a organized way of storing information. It helps to manage and access large amount of information quickly. Unknowingly, we all use database in our daily lives. We maintain our personal address diaries wherein we record addresses and telephone numbers of our friends. So, in our everyday day-to-day life, we all of us use database like addresses and phone numbers, maintaining addresses and phone numbers of our friends and family. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. So, these informations we generally maintain alphabetically so that whenever they are needed, it can be easily found. From time to time, we keep on adding new addresses and also update the contact numbers and postal addresses of our friends if there is any change. So, time to time we update these addresses, we add new addresses and update new contact numbers, add new contact numbers, and we may also update the postal addresses of our friends if there any change. All these operations that we perform, like adding, updating, sorting, editing, deleting, etc., are the functions of a database. These operations, these updating and these operations we can do on our day-to-day information storing. These are like adding, updating, sorting, editing, and deleting, which are also the functions of database. Telephone diary, a dictionary, maintaining a list of students and their addresses, keeping their records pertaining to academic and co-curricular achievements, keep a list of groceries in a grocery store, catalog in a library, list of customers in a bank, maintaining employees information in offices and organizations, etc., are the examples of different types of database. So, these are the different types of examples of different types of database. It is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of records, as the chances of committing errors increase. So, it has become very difficult when we have to maintain the database manually, means on paper, means writing the database on paper. When there are many information we have to write, like hundreds and thousands of records we have to store, there the chances of errors will increase. A computerized record keeping system is a collection of computers that enables you to store, modify, and extract information from a database known as DBMS, Database Management System. So, to keep these records, In a computer system, which is a collection of programs and enables us to store, modify and extract information easily, this is called a database. The computerized database. So this is known as DBMS, Database Management System. The full form of DBMS is Database Management System. It saves our time and energy. Moreover, to a great extent, it reduces the chances of errors creeping into the database. Therefore, data handling using DBMS becomes fast and efficient. So, this program DBMS reduces the chances of first of all it saves our time and energy, and then we can store thousands and hundreds and thousands of data in it, and it also reduces the chances of errors, and therefore data handling in using DBMS will become fast and efficient. Here is a point given. Microsoft's SQL Server is an example of DBMS that serves database requests from multiple users. Microsoft's SQL Server is an example of DBMS. Types of database. There are mainly two types of database. Flat file database. A flat file database refers to data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. So, flat file database is a file that can contain records of limited number of fields without any structured relationship. The example of flat file database is Microsoft Excel. Relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. So, relational database is in relational database we can store several tables of data. Store data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. The example of relational database are Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. So, for this video up to here only. We will discuss the next part of the lesson in next video. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.